Hello, hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel Dharma Rao. Hope everybody will be fine. Those who are watching for the first time, please subscribe my channel Dharma Rao. Today we will have focus on a apparatus which is used for measuring the distance. Distance requirement games and sports needs this apparatus. सभी को मेरा स्वागत है एक नया अध्याय में। आज हम लोग देखेंगे व्हील मेजरिंग apparatus कैसे यूज होता है जो डिस्टेंस रिक्वायरमेंट गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स होता है। आइए एक नज़र डालते हैं। प्लीज़ कम एंड हैव ए लुक ऑन दैट apparatus. You see this apparatus? This is called wheel measuring apparatus used for measuring the distance. There is a meter which is recording the distance, and the wheel, if you will roll this wheel, it will show the distance like this. As I told earlier, how to measure by using this wheel measurement. For example, if you want to take 30 meters, then you have to take a starting line. For example, this is starting line. So you will keep here and you will go forward by seeing the meter 30 meters. If 30 meters completes here, then you have to draw a line. So you will get the 30 meter and it will less error. जैसा कि मैं आपको बोला 30 मीटर अगर आपको लेना है तो एक लाइन इधर खींचना है और उसका बाद आगे इसको लेके मीटर को देख के जाना है 30 मीटर तक. How much distance you need, you can take measurement through this apparatus and you can fix it. It will give accurate distance. There will be no much errors. So this is a very good apparatus you can use while measuring the distance. This apparatus is used for measuring the distance. This is a very good apparatus for getting the accurate distance. If you are watching this video, please like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe my channel Dharma Rao and press the bell icon for getting notifications. Thank you very much.